Hey up guys, so welcome back to another instalment. We're going to show you what's going on with this Touareg. So this Touareg's presented with quite a few faults, all relating to the boot. So the rear wipers had enough, the boot's locking and unlocking whenever it wants, if it's locking, and lots of things are flashing and all that good stuff towards the rear. So I've obviously got the boot open, and one of the first things I saw was a little bit of corrosion just around the bottom, and that just pokes out here. So I had a look, and you always have a visual inspection before you do anything, because that could rule out a lot of things. And then if we have a look at the other side of the trim, see all that rusty water, and then we have a look in here, there's a bit more rusty water, and then all this, I don't know if that's going to go up on camera, but that's all pretty piss wet through there, so that was a good indication. And then we nip up here, look, and we can see without it even being operated, the rear wipers letting water is backing up, going straight through, and there we go. So what happens is, if you've ever seen the Volkswagen thing before, which we all have, these fail internally, lots of water comes out, which you can see dripping now. It's gone down the boot, so we're going to check all this out in a minute. I've had all the plugs out, and we're all looking good for the top loom, which is fine, sweet. Got that there, which indicates a little bit more moisture has gone down here. And then we have a look down here. You can see just a little bit more in there. So obviously I've removed the boot lock because I need to check all the wiring and see what's gone on. We've got some crusties. See that in there? So that needs repinning. So you can see you've got the telltale there. And then it's all blue and shitty at the end. So we need some pins in there. As you can see, the door lock, or the mechanism itself, that's got bits leaking out of it. So that's got sporadic faults. I'm going to advise the customer has that replaced. It's up to them. We're only here to diagnose, guys. But as you can see, it's let a lot of water out just as it's been sat there. It's still going, to be fair, it's still going. I haven't operated the wiper either. So that's what's going on, guys. It definitely needs a new one of them. And obviously it needs a new boot catch as well that sits in this hole. So I'm going to put my findings through to the customer, but never discount anything, guys. If you want to have a look for faults, visually inspect everything first. I don't even need to take a tool to the car. A lot of this I got from, oh, there's a bit of rust there. Oh, what's going on around this bolt here? And honestly, you can see a lot of stuff on a vehicle by just looking, seeing what you've got. So if you've got a load of boot faults, go to the boot, have a look, visually inspect everything. Don't discount out. Hope this helps you guys, and not just Touaregs, just have a look across the range. It might not even be just isolated to VW Group cars, it could be oaked. So have a look, never deduce anything, and see what you get. So let me know in the comments, guys, if you've ever had this problem before, and if you use this approach to diagnose things, because a lot of people go straight into it, balls deep, tools out, start firing parts off and all that stuff, and totally miss what's going on with the car. So that being said, guys, in the next one, let's get this one sorted.